Sometimes you just gotta put a little light into the situation. Going on to day 32. But it's been a journey so far, a long way, and it had some light and darkness in the situation with people and some form of religions. It truly reveals our characters a lot, right? When darkness comes in. So, I just wish everyone a nice time enjoying the lake's flow. We're on to Philippines. I put some fun things in there. With the Philippines and then Minnesota. I know it's odd. Minnesota is very beautiful. And the lake that's one of the biggest, right? That goes into the ocean. So I believe everyone's building up with snow right now. I wish you warmth and care. And let the light warm you up, whatever light you crave. So, aloha to you all. Janet Jackson. Mahalo if you go to her concert. Thank you. So, this is my bracelet today. It's dainty and I love it. Keep it on to new journeys.